Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your VM, power it off and back up the VDI or take a snapshot. Once done, locate the exact VDI path in the VM settings and confirm Virtualbox and VBox Manage are available on your system. Now run VBox Manage modifit path/to/disk. VDI, resize 51,200 to expand to 50,000 MB, for example. You do this because the virtual disk container must be larger before the guest OS can use extra space. Once the virtual disk is larger, you must resize partitions inside the guest. Boot the VM with a G-parted or Windows PE ISO so partitions are unmounted and safe to edit. Make sure to move or expand the primary partition into the newly available space, and then grow the file system. Use resize 2FS for ext4 or NTFS resize, and then Windows Disk Manager for NTFS. If the guest uses LVM, extend the physical volume, then the volume group, followed by the logical volume, and finally the file system. You finish by removing the live ISO and rebooting the VM to confirm the guest sees the larger disk and increased free space. If the OS fails to boot or reports file system errors, boot to rescue media and run chkdsk on NTFS or FSCK on ext file systems. These repairs often fix inconsistent metadata after resizing. Make sure to keep your original backup or snapshot. If something goes wrong, revert immediately and diagnose with logs and rescue tools before retrying the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.